have Mercedes ML, and it's on radio. In first was small strike, now it's bigger, and even second started, and sound is not always reacting. You can turn, and it's little by little changing sound. So what I have found, of course you can change whole radio, and maybe it's more expensive, but what today I got very cheap broken radio. I have already took out this screen from this radio unit, and this from ML. It's from same car. And one more thing I got from 211 Mercedes E-Class. It's different, but could be that screen is absolutely the same. Size is the same. I don't know about connection. So don't know what I try. Maybe it's this one easier. So I just take out this, put this on this, and gonna see how it will be. So to take out this radio, you must use some force from down. I must use maybe 2 hands. Yes, used 2 hands, and it's popped out, and now slide it down, and here is one screw and another screw, something T25, T20. Take out. So I unscrewed those 2 screws. Now this must slide down. Use some, yes, like this and like this. Now radio going out. Yes. So now disconnect all cables, unscrew here, couple there, all around, and after I can take out this and try to put that one on that one. I try to do without camera. So I took out here, here, and here. Maybe I forgot here. I must open also that. There I have screwdriver for that. I use it like this. This is just in the yard, on the outside. Yes. Okay. So many screws, and now it's best to split it, start in here in corner. Just put some way, and little by little, just like that. And here is sticker with holes. You must take it in with knife and split it. Yes, and now like that we can open it. Now I must disconnect that cable, and I need 2 hands. And after I disconnected that CD reader, I disconnect that cable from screen and use little force, and it's unhooks here. Here is also holding. Yeah, so what is need to do, so just little like that this hook jump out from that hole, and that's it. Here you go. your radio is in two pieces. With my screen have strikes. Okay, we can compare how it looks like. This one with strikes, this one is broken, but screen is good. Screen is good. Okay, here is something. From outside it looks same. From inside, let's see. It looks like very similar. Yes. Okay, now I try to put that one on that radio. So now I have connected screen. It's one small tip if you do it first time. Very important is after you mount it, to take out this you must slide out this one and this one, and like wiggle that it's 1 millimeter must go out, and after you can take out cable. After you put back, you must look after you putting back that this blue line is straight, that whole flex cable is inside in. First I have done and it was not straight, so after I opened that locker again and little bit pushed in, and after it was good. So just in case. Now I'm gonna put my CD and I try and I test drive. Is it working or not? I still don't know if I put from two one piece. Maybe it's at all broke. And now moment of truth. I push connector in and antennas is not connected. Turn ignition on and Mercedes, no strikes still. This sign is good. Yes. Screen is perfect. Sound button is also not so good. If I using, it's working. So if it's not working, you can use from steering, but steering I don't know why sometimes also is not working. So you must turn off ignition, turn on, and after it wake up. This one yes, it's also not so good working. We will see in future because it's a new one. I bought this, so I don't know how. But mainly reason is about one more thing. Is it camera working nice? I put in reverse. I must push brake. Okay, wait. No, I must put antennas, everything. So I think it's gonna work. Screen looks nice. So now take out and put rest bolts together. And I have done here, one here, one there. Everything is connected. Everything is in places. So just now put fully with antennas, with everything. I gonna check reverse. Oh, you see? It works without cables. Magic. Oh, you see picture. Nice. And also one small like secret. If your Mercedes don't have camera reverse, I think this blue line is for camera, if I remember good. And I have one customer made, I have mounted the camera and make wiring, connected to head unit and programmed it, and camera works. So this radio possible to retrofit reverse camera. It's very good when you're reversing. And now have everything set together. Now I'm gonna start car. Oi. Copyright. Okay, this one doesn't matter. It's start car. And put reverse. Yes, all good. Reverse is like it was. Why is not straight? I'm not sure. This one it was or not. Keep paying attention to your surroundings. I think it was here before. Yes. Now I not remember it was or it wasn't was. But it works and I'm happy because there's no more strikes. Screen is good. So Mercedes ML radio repair. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Like, share, subscribe.